Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams spell check not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Microsoft Teams, click on the three dots next to your profile in the top right hand corner of the page. Then from there we want to click onto settings, or we can click on Control plus. Now we want to get on the general tab. To the right, we want to scroll down. Now we've got the option here where it says editorial editor spell check customize editor for spell check. So click onto manage. We can select up the three languages you'd like editor to work in. So you can go ahead and we can add more languages and come back to general. Now under editor spell check, you should have the options that says correct words while typing. You can go ahead and enable that on and off, and also spelling. So my version doesn't have it for some reason. I think because I'm in Australia, other regions have it, some don't. So yeah, if you got it here, you go ahead and just basically enable it. If it isn't here, we can scroll up and there might be other options to enable spell check.